Hi guys, it's me again, Phemz TV. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is I'm going to give some reviews from the Clothesline that I ordered from Shopee. Actually guys, I just received it now. Okay guys, if you are interested to watching this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to notify if I have new videos that will be uploaded for my next vlog. So let's start! Okay guys, this is the Clothesline that I received just now. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this one. Okay guys, so we're going to try to open this one. And how about she open, guys? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to open this one. Maybe I don't know.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!